Suppose that one day, without warning, all the dimensions of the universe become 1,000 times larger. The world, which was 1 meter in diameter, now measures a kilometer. Everything, from the smallest atom to the most immense star, shares in this vast enlargement. But the same change has affected us as well as the objects around us. Our bodies, our sense organs, our measuring instruments, all have become 1,000 times larger. Would we notice this colossal change? Certainly not. For the eye, the line of sight has grown in proportion. The vibrations of light take 1,000 times longer to reach us. And since all our measurements are merely ratios of one dimension to another, this universal increase of scale would escape our observation entirely. We would live in a universe which, although 1,000 times larger than the original, would seem to us identical. If we imagine this happening, we are forced to admit that what we call space is merely a relationship between objects. It is not an absolute entity with an independent existence, but a network of positions that can only be understood in terms of the relationships between them. We do not perceive absolute distances. What we actually perceive are the relative positions of things and the intervals that separate them. Our senses and instruments, which are themselves subject to the same transformations as the objects they measure, provide us with no means of grasping an absolute reality, only the relative framework that defines the positions of things. Thus, space, as we understand it, is inherently relative, shaped by the objects within it, and the means by which we measure and perceive them.